Over the past year, I've gotten over 1,000 orders on my Shopify website, and I also get tens of thousands of website visitors. All of this without spending a penny on ads. In this very short, very straightforward video, I'm gonna give you my simple two-step formula for you to achieve the exact same results without destroying your margins running useless ads. As I said, my formula is incredibly simple, and it starts with step 1. I would suggest that you find one social media platform that you both enjoy creating content on and it fits the kind of products that you sell, and you get really good at using this platform and understanding it, and also understanding its audience, and if they actually then go onto your website and then convert onto your website. So after testing a couple of different platforms, including Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok, I found that TikTok was the platform that led to the most interest in my products and led to the most people then going on to visit my website directly from my TikTok page and then going on to convert into customers. Now, I also tested Pinterest and Instagram, and I don't recommend you only post on one single platform, but you need to find that one platform that you're really good at and works really well for you and sort of dominate it. As I said, I picked TikTok, and my TikTok strategy is very simple. The form of content that will drive the most website visitors for you is photo swipe posts. I don't know what it is about them. I've created thousands. I've actually created over 1,000 TikToks in the past year. The videos do great with TikTok Shop. They definitely get me a lot of TikTok Shop sales. But since this video is focused on driving organic traffic to our Shopify and driving revenue there, I will tell you that the photo swipe posts, they also call them carousel posts, get a lot of interest. And because the link to purchase isn't directly there in the photo swipe post, but the link is also not very far, people get interested to click into your profile, and then in your bio you want to have a very simple call to action. So mine is, you can order below with an arrow pointing down to the link in our bio or on our TikTok shop. For the sake of this video, considering you probably don't have a TikTok shop, simply have a call to action that says order below with an arrow pointing down. Make sure you add the arrow pointing down. Also add some sort of incentives as well. Sign up for our email list and get 10% off, and click below to order. Add as specific of a call to action as you can in your bio, and then experiment with different ones. Now, the key here is volume. Volume is going to be the name of the game for you. By posting one video a week, maybe 2 videos a week, unfortunately, it's not going to do it. It's not going to be enough. My TikTok volume is 1 to 3 posts a day. I vary these posts between video posts and photo swipe posts, and I feel like this combination has been able to consistently get me visitors. Now, the big booms are going to happen when you have those viral videos. Those viral videos could generate you thousands of website visitors in a single day. And once you accumulate a significant amount of content on your TikTok account, it's just going to turn into this machine that's constantly spitting out visitors, because your videos are going to be hitting so many different For You pages at different points in time when they pop off at different points in time. So it's an endless, why run ads? Why run ads when your content will service your ads organically through the For You page? This, like, I genuinely never spent a penny on ads because I haven't needed to. I'm gonna get the traffic. Now, of course, we want to add some other things on our website to increase conversions through this traffic. What I do is I have a very simple Shopify website. The products that my customers see in the content, once they click the link in my bio, they're just gonna see them boom right there. I have a simple banner on my Shopify website saying free shipping on orders over $60, a very simple hero image saying the restock is now live or shop our new releases, depending on what's going on. And then right below the hero image are my product listings. And this section, I usually call it the new in section, because I list here 4 or 5 products, and those are the ones that I'm mostly creating my content about at that certain point in time. And I don't try to make this list too long so that customers can just swipe a bit further and see my different product categories right there. Again, click into them and then be able to see the different products, because perhaps they're coming from a video that I posted a little while ago and those products are no longer new in. Then once they click into the product, a very simple product page addressing the main concerns customers usually have, which are how does this fit, how does this look like when it's on, and what are the shipping times, and what is your refund and return policy. It's literally that simple. I try to make it as straightforward as possible so that customers can easily click into the bio, purchase the product that they wanted, and get back to TikTok and continue scrolling. So you want to simplify things as much as possible. You'll see a lot of people showcase their very flashy websites. Those websites don't convert well. It's not about flash, it's about addressing the customer concerns, giving them what they came onto your website for. They don't care about your 3D effects and all of that bullshit, to be honest. And then we have step number 2. So organic content is going to be key to this whole entire strategy. Organic content with volume on one specific platform. I obviously recommend TikTok to everyone, but maybe Instagram is your bread and butter, so you can make that your platform. But we want to take advantage of this organic traffic that we're getting that is not converting into sales, because people pay a lot of money just to get website visitors. We're getting them for free. So how can we turn these website visitors into potential customers down the line? And that is with your email and your SMS marketing. I absolutely love email and SMS marketing, and I actually worked before quitting my 9 to 5 at one of the top email and SMS marketing companies in the world. And we take advantage of this organic traffic by having a simple pop-up form with an incentive. My pop-up form when customers get on my website says, want 10% off your first order and stay up to date with all our restocks, enter your email here. They enter their email there, they click next. Now they enter their phone number so they can get notified right away and be the first to know of all of our new product drops. They enter their phone number there, they continue scrolling on the website. They don't purchase anything, no problem. I now have your email and SMS, because maybe the product that they came onto your website for is sold out, it's no longer available, but you don't want to lose this customer, because many websites, and believe it or not, there's $1 million businesses out there that don't even have pop-up forms or don't do email and SMS marketing. And when you're first starting out, you set up your email and SMS marketing very simply by signing up for one of the cheaper platforms. For absolute beginners, I always recommend MailChimp. I think it's free up to 500 contacts. You can also use Omnisend, which is a more affordable option, not free though. If you're a bit more of an intermediate level, honestly, there's many multi-million dollar businesses using Omnisend. I personally use Omnisend. And if you're willing to throw a little bit more money at this, you can use Klaviyo. Their systems are extremely robust, and that's actually where I work. They have a very good product. If you want a full in-depth guide of email and SMS marketing, because it is a very broad topic, and more in-depth examples of actual content that I made and how to make it, make sure you check out the free course down below. That will provide you with a ton of value. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you go check out the free course, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.